Okay, you know that horrible sinking feeling. You go to log into Instagram and nothing. You're locked out. Did a hacker change your password, your email? It's a total nightmare, I know. But take a breath. Don't panic. We are going to walk through the exact official steps to get your account back. So, yeah, your Instagram account was hacked. You're locked out, and that initial panic is probably starting to set in. The good news? This happens to a lot of people, and there is a clear, official path to get your account back. So forget about guessing or digging through confusing old forum posts. We're going straight to the source. This is the official recovery plan, and it's designed to get you back in control as fast as possible. All right, first things first. Before we get into the heavy-duty recovery tools, there is one really simple check you should always start with. This is what I call the quick fix method. Right on the login screen, just tap Forgot Password, and then type in your username or your email. Instagram will send a recovery link, but, and this is a big but, this only works if the hacker was lazy and didn't change your contact info. If they did, don't worry, that's exactly what the next step is for. So what happens when the hacker was, well, thorough? They didn't just change your password. They were smart enough to swap out your email and your phone number, which completely cuts off that simple recovery path we just talked about. And this, right here, is the moment most people feel totally helpless. The login links are going to some random email address you've never seen before. This is where you might think it's game over, but I promise you, it's not. Instagram built a specific tool for exactly this scenario. You still have options. And that brings us to the most powerful recovery tool you've got, the video selfie verification. It sounds kind of weird, but it's brilliant. It's designed to prove that you are the real owner of the account, even when literally every other piece of info has been changed. Okay, so you need to follow these steps carefully. After you put in your username, you're going to tap Can't Reset Your Password. And then, this is key, look for Try Another Way. That's what opens up the real support options. As long as your account has photos of you, choosing video selfie is the way to go. Instagram will then just walk you through recording a short video of your face. And you know, this isn't just some random bot scanning your video. It's actually a mix of AI and real human reviewers who check it to verify your identity. That just shows you how seriously Instagram takes this, and it makes it a really secure and, more importantly, a really reliable process. But wait a minute, what if your account is for your brand or, for your dog? What if you just don't have any photos of your own face on there? The video selfie obviously isn't going to work then. Well, don't worry, Instagram has a totally different path for you. So here's how it breaks down. If you have photos of yourself, the video selfie is your golden ticket. It's your #1 tool. If you don't, then you'll need to use other methods, like asking friends to confirm your identity, or submitting support forms where you might have to prove you own the original email you signed up with. Okay, here is a pro tip that can make a massive difference in how smoothly this goes. Whatever you do, try to do this entire process from a phone or a Wi-Fi network that you've used to log into Instagram before. Why? Because Instagram's system is smart enough to recognize familiar devices, and that can seriously speed up your verification. Okay, you did it. You got your account back. Huge congratulations. But listen, our work is not done here. Now we have to lock down your account and make sure you never, ever have to go through this nightmare again. The single most important thing you can do, and I mean right now, is to enable two-factor authentication. You've probably heard it called 2FA. All it means is that even if a hacker steals your password, they still can't log in with a second piece of info, which is usually a code from your phone. It's like a digital deadbolt. But, and this is super important, not all 2FA is created equal. Getting codes through a text message is good. It's way better than nothing, but it can leave you vulnerable to something called a SIM swapping attack. The absolute best, most secure method is using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. It generates secure codes right there on your device, completely separate from your phone number. So think about that journey. You've gone from being that panicked, locked out person to someone who not only got their account back, but is now in complete control of its security. The big takeaway here is that yes, recovery is totally possible, and you know what? Prevention is incredibly powerful. And that really brings us to the final big thought. Securing your Instagram is an awesome, crucial first step. But this whole experience, it's really a lesson for your entire digital life, right? How many of your other important accounts, your email, your banking, are protected with the same level of security? Definitely something to think about.